What is going on? The markets are green. Nothing but panic the whole weekend. People selling at a loss, trying to get out. The sky is falling. Oh my gosh, the bank runs, the bank runs. The Fed wasn't going to let those banks go under. Come on now. Come on now. USDC fears is already almost repegged, right? Bitcoin is up almost 10%. Yeah. Look, and this is what I was saying in the Patreon. I was like, hey, look, despite all of this noise and gloom and doom, Bitcoin is moving like I expected him to move. I expected him to come back and retest the 200 SMA on the daily, which was here. So it was inevitable that after like 2 months of bullish Bitcoin action and crypto action, you got to come back and retest this 200 SMA. Now, I'm not saying we're out of the clear by any means, but this is a bullish retest, right? It's bullish if he bounces off that 200 SMA. So we could still roll over, right? But I was expecting a bounce here. While everyone was fearful, not everyone, but while a lot of people would feel fearful and selling their cryptos and just trying to get out so they could buy lower. That may not always work out so well when you're trying to buy cryptos lower. Once you lose your position, you may not get it back again. So, like I said, I don't think we're out of the woods yet, but look, the market is green, super green. All right. How long it'll last, I don't know, but it's good to see Bitcoin bounce off that 200 SMA. All right. And one thing I wanted to show you guys on the Bollinger Bands, you can see these Bollinger Bands right here starting to turn green on the 3-day. When I see green on the 3-day chart, that indicates bullish price action for a certain period of time, couple weeks, not sure, but you can see every time Bitcoin has turned green, well, since the last bull run, it went on a bull run. So last time it flipped green was short before the end of the bull run. And then before that, it was the start of the bull run when it turned green on the 3-day chart. So we have to see how this plays out. Don't be surprised if Bitcoin runs up to 33K, 28 to 33K. It's totally possible. Now, will he stay there? Don't know. But he could hit those price targets before he comes back down and finds support. All right. So this is going to be a heck of a year for crypto and stocks, but it's going to be a heck of a year for crypto. So my main goal is just to accumulate. But this video is just catching up on cryptos that I follow here on the channel and that a lot of us in the Patreon are invested in. So let's get right into it. Bitcoin's up 9% on the daily. ETH is up 5% on the daily. A0 is up 8.7%. Got a bounce here at 120. And now he's looking to head higher. So a lot of the altcoin charts look the same. They're all bouncing. Now, Gala looks like, let's see on the daily. Gala looks like he could make a run for 4 cents. 4 cents and then eventually 4.5 cents. So we'll see how that plays out. LCX got a little bounce here. I could see him run up to 10, maybe even 12 cents should Bitcoin remain bullish, or if he can at least stabilize, then our alts can pump. All right, Cadena dumped all the way down to 88 cents. He's back at $1. Scallop is hurting, but he did find support here at around 15 cents. Now he's at 19 cents. So this 19-20 cent zone is going to be resistance for Scallop. I'm going to set an alert right there. But I think he'll break through it. We'll see. Quant not doing too much. It's at 1.5 cents. Okay. Nakamoto Games found support, found a little bounce here on the daily. Right now he's at resistance at around 23 cents. We'll We'll see how that plays out. I think he might bust through it. All depends on Bitcoin. All right. So I'm going to set an alert right there for knock. RMRK. RMRK is looking pretty good. It's holding. It's stable. Crust. Not doing too bad. It's at 130. All right. So it hit 240 recently and it retraced 50, 60%, which is normal after a parabolic run up. I mean, it ran up from 54 cents all the way up to 250. Came back, corrected around 60%. Now it's making another move higher. All right. So see how that plays out. Stratos. I gave Stratos away in the Patreon back when it was down here at around 20 cents. Yeah, that was some months ago, but you can see it's been doing pretty well. It's been holding this zone here for quite a few months. So Stratos is holding. It's one to watch. Let's see, Curate. We got in on Curate at around 3 cents, and then it ran up to 9.2, 9.3 cents, almost 10 cents. Now he's having a correction. Is that the 50% correction? Yeah. So he had a 50% correction. Now he's finding support. I'm expecting that 200 SMA on the daily to hold for Curate. And I think it's going to bring massive gains going into the next bull run. Bright future for Curate. TrueBit. Not much going on with TrueBit. Let's see. We can see here he's got support at 10 cents. And he's got resistance right where he is now. He's got resistance at around 12 cents. So we'll just have to see what time does for TrueBit. All right. Those of you long on TrueBit, I think TrueBit will be fine. But I don't expect juicy price action until we get closer to the bull run or there's some other catalyst. All right. So Polka City, you know, I'm bullish on Polka City. Polka City came back to 200 SMA and bounced like a true champ because that's what champs do. Yeah, I'm so bullish on Polka City. And I still think 3 cents is a good area to buy and accumulate Polka City. Guys, look at the weekly. Look at the all-time high. Should Polka City get back to its all-time high, that is a 7,441% gain on your money. Yeah, seriously. Now, let me make sure that's from where it is right now. That could be from 0.016. Let me go to... Yeah, actually, it will be at 8,000. So that's like an 80x from where it is now for Polka City to get back to its all-time high. Yeah, totally. So I don't think it's too late to dollar cost average into Polka City. DAPX, I reviewed DAPX a while ago on the channel, and it's dipped a little bit. It's at 2. That's right around where I reviewed it. I reviewed it at 0022, around that area. So I do think that it will get up to the 5 to 10 cent zone as we get into the next bull run. Totally. Star Atlas. I'm bullish on Star Atlas. I am so bullish on this project. But I think you're going to have patience with Star Atlas. Because look, from his all-time high, 22 cents. That's a 70x on your money, 6,900%. All right. So if you can accumulate Star Atlas and you have the patience, right? Even if you bought 100,000 tokens for $310, should it get back to the 20 cent zone, that's 20K from $300. A little bit goes a long way in the bear market, guys. So you don't always need to put a whole bunch of money in these cryptos. Let's see, Jasmine found support and bounced like a champ. All right. Where can I see Jasmine going from here? I can see Jasmine going up to the 0.0068 zone. maybe even the 0.0083, depends on Bitcoin. What's going on with Sell Frame? Sell Frame bounced on the 200 SMA on the daily, like many other cryptos did. It's crazy how most of these alts have the same chart patterns. They're all bouncing off the 200 SMA. All right, so yeah, some of you guys are not bullish on Sell. I'm bullish on Sell. I like what they have going on over there. All right, so let's get into Glitch. Glitch is finding support on the 200 SMA on the daily. All right, so that's what we want to see. We want to see support on the 200 SMA on the daily. All right, now Glitch from where he is now to get back to his all-time high is almost a 50x. This is a 46x, guys. Check out Glitch when you get a chance. All right, if you like layer ones, you like DeFi protocols, check out Glitch. Unido. How is Unido doing? Unido came back and tried to bounce off the 200 SMA, but then when all that FUD hit, I think people just sold off. I think people got out of it. I think it would have held if we didn't have that bank run news. I think it would have held, but it dipped under it slightly, and now that 200 SMA on the daily is acting as resistance, but I think it'll get bought back up and it'll break through that. I think it's just a matter of time. Right? And so Unido, all-time high on Unido. Let's see. All-time high on Unido is 109. So Unido is one of the last 100x opportunities out there. Like, it can truly get there. They have less than 100 million tokens in circulation because they burn tokens as well. And they have a buyback model, I believe. Right? So Unido is a true gem. Check it out if you have not checked them out. Alliance Block, who is also a partner of Unido. Alliance Block came out with the new token, Next Era. It dumped to around 4 cents and now it's having a bounce. I think it got relisted on some exchanges. I'm going to set some alerts. And so now I think people are starting to accumulate Alliance Block again. Don't sleep on Alliance Block, guys. Don't sleep on Alliance Block and Unido. And of course, Quant. If you like Alliance Block and Quant, you should check out Unido. Unido has big plans for their ecosystem, and we'll find out more as we progress throughout 2023. All right, let's check out Araya Chain. Araya Chain looks like he may have found support. He did bounce off the $4 zone. We'll have to see if that support holds. All right, because now he's got resistance at 560. All right, I'm gonna set an alert there. So we'll have to see if that holds, if that support at $4 holds, and if he can find enough steam to break through that area of resistance at around 560. Should the volume pick up, I think that won't be a problem. All right, guys, I just wanted to catch up on the market and cryptos that we're holding. And a new crypto gem is coming soon. My patrons already got the drop. If you want to know what I'm buying, when I'm buying, check out the Patreon link in the description or right above my head here. All right. Or you can check out the free DeFi Moneyverse Telegram group. Great minds in there, great investors in there as well. All right, guys, congrats on a green day. All right. And just continue to accumulate. That's my opinion. Just continue to accumulate and try to block out the noise, because once this accumulation phase is over, you may have wished that you went harder. You may have wished that you didn't have as much of a paper hands as you did, because the bear market and the bull market is going to reward those who are patient. It will reward those who are patient the most. All right. But if you're trading, you're getting your money, however you get your money in crypto, it's all good. It's all fine. All right, guys. So I'll be back soon with another gem. Thanks for watching. Smash up the likes, and I'll be back soon. Deuce Crypto out.